When you participate in fluid analysis, you are able to predict your maintenance, determine problems, and decrease equipment downtime based on the results from the testing performed on your fluid sample. The testing performed on oil, coolant, diesel fuel, or grease provides you with maintenance recommendations so you can take action now to maximize equipment performance. In this video, we will show you the process a sample goes through once the sample is taken and shipped to one of our laboratory locations. Once the sample is collected from the component, the sample information is submitted through the online sample submission feature in Horizon. A label is then placed on the sample jar and shipped to one of our laboratory locations. We recommend shipping through a service which provides a tracking service. Depending on the shipping carrier you use, the sample will typically arrive at our laboratory within 2 business days. The next step is to process the sample once it arrives. When the sample arrives at the laboratory, our team brings the samples into the facility for processing. During sample processing, a sample processing technician removes the sample from the shipping box and scans the barcode on the label. The sample information submitted through Horizon by the customer is imported into our laboratory information management system. The sample is then assigned a lab number and then placed in the correct tray based on the laboratory testing needed. The sample is then moved to the next step, laboratory testing. Our laboratories perform ASTM testing methods. Each sample will require different testing based on the test package setup with your account. Samples are categorized based on testing needs, and the testing process begins. The tests being performed on this sample are viscosity and ICP, or inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectrometry. Once the required testing is completed, the results of the testing are synced to the laboratory information management system. The sample test results are then sent to our data analysis team for interpretation and maintenance recommendations. Our data analysis team is comprised of OMA and CLS certified data analysts. Our team uses flagging limits to determine the severity of the report based on the test results from the laboratory testing. The sample report is then synced to Horizon, and the report is sent to the customer via email within 24 hours of the laboratory receiving the sample. All sample reports are also available within Horizon. The report includes sample and component information, test results, and maintenance recommendations compiled by our data analysis team. The customer can then interpret the report and take actions based on the recommendations from our team. If you need help with your test packages, ordering supplies, or interpreting your test results, our data analysis and customer service teams are here to help. Our customer service team is here to help you with any questions you may have on your fluid analysis program. Our team can help with placing supply or test kit orders, assisting your team with navigating Horizon, and updating your account information. Our data analysis team can speak with you over the phone anytime to assist you with any questions you may have on your sample report, test results, comments, and recommended maintenance. Fluid analysis can help catch problems before they become too big to handle and save you repair and replacement costs. Ready to get started? Contact our customer service team to place your first order or visit polarislabs.com for more information on the services we provide.